Hello and welcome to Nadia's Molten Imaginings. Today I'm going to be painting something I have had a lot of requests for. I am going to be painting a dog. Previously on this channel I have painted a cat before on a YouTube short. I more recently, painted this beautiful tortoiseshell cat, and if you look closely you can see that it is actually on a wooden surface. This was a blank Jigsaw originally, but after I had painted it, I was so happy with the picture I decided I needed to frame it. Frame jigsaws are a thing anyway, so do happen to have two of these blank wooden jigsaws. This one I have also painted green, and I'm going to paint a dog on here. Recently, a few months ago in fact, I posted on my socials, please send me images of your dogs for me to paint. And a longtime friend and follower sent me a picture of her dog, Monroe, and he is such a beautiful dog. I am going to have to paint him today, so let's get painting. I start off using the Encaustic stylus, and I begin by drawing out a rough outline in a base colour. I then go in with the wax and fill in the details, the patterns and textures, and copying the photo reference as best I can, trying to add in the light and shade with the different coloured waxes. I then go in and try and get some fur texture as well. I'm not quite sure at this point how much of the background I'm going to do, but I know I need to include this front rail, so I'm painting that in next in a bright colour. And then I go in with the iron and do a sky background, because I think this works better with the green that I've got going on in the background. I think that as I did this I probably should have done it first before I drew out my dog, because then I have to go around his head shape. Finally, I take some green wax and add some foliage in the foreground. And that is how to quickly paint a dog with encaustic wax. So, for whatever reason, I seem somewhat less happy with this dog that I've painted. I still am happy with it. I still think he has turned out quite well. I think I tried to incorporate a little bit too much of the background and made him a little bit smaller on the image. There's nothing wrong with that, it's a different kind of image, but I think that maybe he might work better as a jigsaw. I'm still a little afraid to actually pop the jigsaw pieces out. Honestly, now that I see them together, I'm not unhappy with them. It's a different style, it's a little bit more goofy, and I think that he would look perfectly fine framed. Let me know what you think in the comments, and follow the socials for more fun animal paintings with cats. Thank you very much for watching.